Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I'm in the she shop because I gotta get some work done. I'm even wearing my new apron thingy that I bought. Remember this? Because I need to save some of my clothes. I mean, my clothes are getting like nasty with paint. There's just paint out over them. Tighten that strap up. Ooh, it's leather and burlap. I kind of like it. I like it a lot. So yesterday I told you guys I was going to be drinking my fruit and veg. So this morning I had yum. Honestly, when I put kale in it, I went, really? You don't taste it at all. Just taste the fruits. So I got my fruits in. I'm gonna juice some veggies next. At lunchtime, I'm gonna juice some veggies. I'm gonna try and do that every day because I take a host of vitamins, you guys, like vitamins up the wing, and I thought, it's because I'm not eating right. If you're not eating right, your whole body's not functioning right, and I want to start getting 8 hours of sleep, which I fell asleep on the couch, so I kind of did. Victoria went to bed at 9, and I think I fell asleep right away. Jeff woke me up at 1 to go to bed. So I need to get the blue table, and I got the hooks for the punch tin piece that we were working on earlier, and last week I think it was. I don't think I've been in here this week. Someone get at least the punch tin one done today. I think the blue may need a couple more coats of paint, but I'm gonna have to scuff it up because I've waited too long in between coats. It's good and dry now. So I'll have to scuff that up and then give that another good coat of paint. I think I'm gonna move to roller. I was using a brush, and I think I'm gonna roll the rest. I think that's all I need to tell you for today. And then I'm gonna be blogging. Got a new blog post for tomorrow. My last blog post on Etsy policies, but that was just like chirp, chirp, chirp. There's like no traffic whatsoever. But if you are setting up your Etsy shop and you haven't done your policies, or you think that's not important, it really actually is. So I want you to go read that post and set up your policies, because it's just not something you want to skip. Not at all. It protects you and it protects the buyer, and the buyers are more comforted. I swear I can speak. It's that I haven't had enough sleep. I'm so tired. I don't know why. It's a thyroid tired, I think. They're comforted when they have policies in place. I tell them exactly how things are going to go. It's important. So don't skip that part. And make sure you have your privacy policy in place if you're going to sell overseas, especially, and that's on a blog or anything. Make sure you have that, your GDPR. Don't get to work otherwise. I don't know. You don't want to hear me talk about stuff like that. It's not the smexy stuff that you want to deal with every day, but it needs to get done. Boy, oh boy, y'all. Feeling like a really proper workman with this thing on. I'm so fancy in my apron. It's gonna get dirty fast, so enjoy the clean moment. Look, it's clean. It's the last time, and I won't have paint on it. Let's paint something. Oh, and the 100 project challenge, 100 projects in 100 days. So we'll be starting in January on the 2nd. I'm not starting on the 1st, y'all, because it's New Year's Day and I want to sleep. So we're going to start on January 2. For all of you who are going to join me, that you have half done projects or, and here's the deal. I'm going to do 100 projects in 100 days. Okay. You might have one large project that you need to get done or you want to finish. So, quilters, if you're out there and you've got that project you've been working on forever and you need a jump start to get it done, then I want you to do a block a day or, whatever it takes for you guys to just make progress. That's all we care about. We're not trying for perfection. It's for progress. And I have a ton, and I mean a ton of projects that I have started and left half finished. I have projects that have one little piece missing and I haven't finished them. I have projects that are completely unstarted that I'll be finishing. So whatever you need to do, break that down. So I'm saying 100 projects in 100 days, but you could say 100 steps towards my completed project in 100 days. So whatever it takes for you to get your project done. So let's say you're building a king size quilt and there's 100 blocks in it. I don't even know, I'm not a quilter. Then you're gonna do a block a day. 1 block a day. Chunk it. We're gonna start chunking it down into small things if you have to. So I look at my projects and I'm way overwhelmed. I look at all the stuff that I have half done, undone, and I think, I gotta do that, I gotta do that, I gotta do that. And I start feeling overwhelmed. This 100 projects in 100 days is gonna narrow my focus to one. I have one I have to do today. I'm gonna do one project today. And that's gonna take that burden off me. And it's just something that I've done in the past to trick myself, is to chunk things down into smaller pieces and say, I only have to do this today. I don't have to do this, this today. Okay. So let's say you have a project that you've been working on or you wanted to get finished or started or whatever. You're going to chunk it down into 100 small things that you can do. And that might be, you've wanted to start quilting. So that first day you go to the fabric store and you pick your fabrics, or you pick your pattern and you cut it out. Chunk it. We're going to start chunking it. We're going to do it. And I've made a list of my projects. I don't have 100 yet. I will. I have 34 projects that I've written down, and I will have 100. I swear, there's plenty in the garage. I just haven't wanted to go out there. It's so freaking cold here. It's going to be warm this weekend, so I get out there. But there's a lot that we're going to get done. And if we don't make 100 projects, it's okay. We're going to have some grace and forgive ourselves, because that's another part of the problem, is that feeling of guilt if you don't get things done. We're going to let that go. This year, we're going to show ourselves some kindness, and we've earned it after 2020. So 2021 is not about perfection. It's going to be about grace and kindness. Those are my words for 2021, grace and kindness towards myself, because I'm harder on me than I could ever be on anybody else. So I need to forgive myself and be kinder to myself, and so do you. So let's get to work. I'm kind of disappointed in myself right now because I bought the hooks. Oh, let me show you. In like a vintage brass for a punch tin. They're going on. I don't even care. I don't. They're going on. Okay, one hook down. Just got one more to do, and then I'm going to pull the tape off, and this little number is going in the shop. Did you see me stab myself? It's a good thing you can't hear me during time lapse, because that's going to leave a bruise. But they're in, so let's pull the tape off. Touch up here, get that off there. Some tape there. Still have to, I gotta get a needle nose plier or something in there to grab that because I left it too long. And possibly an X-Acto blade if I can find one, which I think my husband took all my blades. All right, let's see what we can do. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.